On Thursday, the Alexandra Magistrates Court hearing the malicious damage to property case of Thamsanqa Gabuza will launch an inquiry to ascertain why the soccer star failed to appear during the previous court session last month. Gabuza will have to inform the magistrate why he did not pitch during the previous court session. If the magistrate is satisfied with Gabuza's explanation, his state warrant of arrest will be cancelled. The matter will proceed as if nothing happened. If the magistrate is not satisfied with his explanation for his absence, the warrant of arrest will be effected. His bail will be cancelled and be forfeited to the state. Gabuza will then sent to jail. The criminal law expert Tabiseng Dabuzana spoke to Sunday World publication when she was asked about this matter and said, "Tomorrow on Thursday, there will be an inquiry to understand why he did not appear in court during the last appearance. If he was sick, a medical certificate will be required. During that inquiry, he must satisfy the magistrate that the reasons for failure to appear in court make sense. The fact that you have now appeared in court gives the court the impression that you might appear on the next one. If the magistrate is happy with his explanation, then she will cancel the warrant of arrest and the matter will continue as if nothing happened. But if the magistrate is not satisfied with the explanation, then the warrant of arrest is confirmed. Bail is cancelled and forfeited to the state. He will then be remanded in custody. He will appear in court from prison during his next court appearances, and if he does not pitch in court, the warrant of arrest will be confirmed. It becomes a bench of warrant of arrest. It will be put in the docket and the investigating officer will go and arrest him. He will have to reapply for bail and the likelihood of him getting it again is slim to none. Last month, a warrant of arrest was issued for Gabuza after he failed to appear at Alexandra Magistrates Court. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.